Hello everyone, welcome you all in the EPG Pathshala program in the subject Botany. I am Dr. Vitthal Baravkar, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Today I will discuss various types of promoters and selection of specific promoter for targeted expression of transgene. I will also introduce you to synthetic promoters and their applications. Let us now look at the outline of lecture. We will discuss about promoters and their types, and lastly I will introduce you to synthetic promoters. In an organism, gene expression is regulated at various stages like transcription, translation, post-translation. Transcription is an important step since it initiates gene expression. Promoter is a specific nucleotide sequence in a DNA where DNA polymerase binds and starts transcription. Promoters are typically present upstream of the coding sequence. Promoter sequences are recognized by specific transcription factors which helps in recruitment of RNA polymerases, thus initiate transcription. In genetic engineering, expression of transgene depends upon the promoters used to drive the transgene expression. A typical promoter is made up of core, proximal and distal promoter. Core promoter located at approximately -34 bases upstream of transcription start site, that is TSS, which consists of RNA polymerase binding site, transcription start site and flanking sequences. The proximal promoter, which is located at approximately -250 bases upstream of TSS, and distal promoter consist of various cis regulatory elements. These are mainly involved in tissue specific expression of target gene. In prokaryotes, all the genes in one operon are driven by single promoter. Prokaryotic promoter comprises of -10 and -35 consensus sequence. In eukaryotes, each single protein coding gene has its own promoter, and Tata box is the key regulatory element in core promoter. Promoters which show higher affinity with RNA polymerases and support high level of transcription are known as strong promoter, for example, promoter of lacoperon, while the promoters which show lower affinity with RNA polymerases and support low level of transcription are known as weak promoters, for example, promoter of lac repressor gene. A typical eukaryotic promoter has complex arrangement of multiple clustered enhancer modules interspaced with silencer and insulator element, which can be located 10 to 50 kb either upstream or downstream of composite core promoter containing Tata box, initiator sequences INR, and downstream promoter element, that is DPE. In genetic engineering, desired expression of transgene depends on promoter used to drive the expression of transgene. Hence, promoter sequences are very important in transformation experiment. Large number of promoters in various plants have been characterized and being used in developing transgenic plants. Promoters can be categorized into three types. First, constitutive promoters, which are active in all plant parts and developmental stages. Second, inducible promoters, which are expressed in response to certain stimulus. Third, cell or tissue specific promoters, whose expression is spatiotemporal in specific cell or tissue types. Now, we will discuss each type in detail. Constitutive promoters are the most widely used promoters in plant transformation studies. They confer high level of gene expression constantly in all the tissues and developmental stages and are largely, not entirely, independent of environmental or developmental factors. A constitutive promoter contain an element which is recognized by basal transcription factor that are present in all the tissues. Further, based on origin of cis acting element, constitutive promoters can be categorized as virus derived constitutive promoters, plasmid derived constitutive promoters, plant derived constitutive promoters. We will discuss virus derived constitutive promoters now. The cauliflower mosaic virus 35S, in short CAMV35S promoter, is most widely used promoter in plant genetic transformations. CAMV35S has been fused with number of genes involved in disease resistance, abiotic stress tolerance, modification of color, send, etc. in various crops. This promoter can drive high level of transgene expression in both dicots and monocots. The major limitation of virus derived constitutive promoter is the ability of plant to recognize these sequences as foreign and inactivate them through methylation independent and dependent manner using chromatin remodeling. Other examples of virus derived constitutive promoters include SCBV, sugarcane bacilliformis virus, BSV, banana streak badna virus, CMPS, Sistrum yellow leaf curling virus, FMV, figwort mosaic colimovirus, MIMV, mirabilis mosaic virus, etc. CAMV 19S promoters also can be used as a constitutive promoter. Second category is plasmid derived constitutive promoters. Generally, their origin is from TI or RI plasmids of Agrobacterium tumefaciens and Agrobacterium rhizogens respectively. As these are plant pathogens and some of the plasmid bound genes are heavily transcribed by plant transcription machinery, makes their promoters good candidate for driving constitutive expression in engineered plant. This includes promoters of nopalin synthase, in short NOS, octopine synthase, OCS and manopine synthase MAS genes. Third category is plant derived constitutive promoter. Genome sequencing of various plants enables us to find out sequences of promoters in plants. Generally, these include housekeeping genes such as actin and ubiquitin gene promoters. These genes shows high level of expression in plant tissues and their sequences are conserved. Examples of plant constitutive promoters include rice actin gene, ubiquitin promoter from maize and Arabidopsis ubiquitin extension protein genes have been isolated from yeast and several plants including tomato, barley and potato. There are certain advantages of using constitutive promoters like high level of expression of target gene in all tissues, helps in expression of selectable marker gene, hence makes detection easy, and limitations of constitutive promoters are less effective in monocotyledons, may get horizontally transferred and raise biosafety issues. Genes regulated by inducible promoters are expressed in response to particular environmental stimulus. This occurs due to activation of transcription factor that recognizes specific cis acting sequences in inducible promoter. A single promoter can be induced by combination of physical and chemical factors. Promoters induced by abiotic stress. These includes induction by abiotic stress such as salinity, drought, heat shock, cold, light, etc. Promoters of rice OSNCED3 and WSI18 genes are drought inducible. These genes are involved in synthesis of ABA in rice. In transgenic rice, with this promoter, expression of target genes increase in response to drought and high salinity. The Arabidopsis RD29A promoter shows drought inducible expression of transgene when it was used in transgenic wheat. The GLP promoter from Thamarix hispida is also a drought, salt and low temperature inducible promoter. The potato proteinase inhibitor 2 gene, in short PIN2 promoter, is wound and UV radiation inducible promoter. It has been used in transformation of Nicotiana plumbaginifolia and rice. High or low temperature heavy metal or ABA induces the expression of LEHSP 23.8 heat shock protein genes in tomato. Promoter of this gene has shown heat inducible expression of target gene in tobacco. Sweet potato peroxidase gene promoter, in short SWPA2, is induced by hydrogen peroxide and UV light. Biotic stress can also be used for promoter induction. In transgenic apple and citrus plant, GST promoter isolated from potato shows transcription of target after bacterial and fungal attack. Use of pathogen inducible promoter PR10 in grapes induces expression of plant defense gene on fungal attack. Apart from these examples, various pathogen inducible promoters have been characterized in different plants. Promoter can also be induced by chemicals. Chemically inducible promoters includes alcohol regulated promoters, tetracycline regulated promoters, hormone responsive promoters, metal responsive promoters. For example, IAA 4/5 gene promoter, which is auxin inducible, 4-Cl promoter, which is induced by jasmonate and alpha linolenic acid, ALCA promoter, alcohol inducible, PR1A tomato promoter, which is induced by 2,6-dichloroisonicotinic acid. Inducible promoters can be turned on or off by manipulating environmental stimulus, hence they are preferred over constitutive promoters. Most of the inducible promoters are activated quickly after generation of stimulus and does not interfere with normal developmental processes. However, some endogenous promoters creates low level of expression which limits the use of inducible promoters. Constitutive promoters are not useful in obtaining transgene expression in specific tissues. Moreover, constitutive expression can interfere in normal plant functioning, hence there is a need of tissue or organ specific expression. Tissue specific promoters fulfills this need of targeted expression. Number of plants, organ, tissue or developmental stage specific promoters have been characterized in different plants. Ethylene is a major hormone involved in fruit ripening. Promoters of ACC oxidase, E4, E8, polygalactoronase genes have been well studied in tomato and apple. They also have commercial application in manipulating fruit ripening. Strawberry gene, FAXI1 promoter, banana sucrose phosphate synthase SPS promoter, citrus C11 promoter are some of the examples of fruit specific promoters. Seed specific promoters. Seeds are major part of human diet. They are storage organs of plant. Seed act as a reservoir of proteins and serve as nitrogen source for developing embryo. Promoters of these seed storage proteins have been characterized to achieve seed specific expression of transgene. For example, rice glutenin and globulin, endosperm specific hordein promoter in barley, glutenin promoters from wheat, soya lectins and beta phaseolin promoters are well characterized. Root specific promoters. Several promoters of root specific genes involved in absorption, nutrient uptake, nodule formation, nematode resistance, storage, etc. have been identified. This includes RB7 gene from tobacco, which codes for membrane channel aquaporin, French bean GLN gamma gene promoter, codes for nodule formation, class 1 patatins, which codes for storage. These are few examples of root specific promoters. Floral organ specific promoters. Targeted gene expression in floral organs can lead to improvement in color, fragrance, vase life, etc. Chalcone synthase, in short CHS gene, is involved in biosynthesis of flavonoids and other secondary metabolites, pigments such as anthocyanin, insect attractant or repellent, phytoalexins, etc. Promoters of CHS is well studied in Phaseolus, Antirrhinum and Petunia. Other floral organ specific promoters are pistil specific thaumatin or PR5 like proteins, PSTL1 promoter from pear, LAT52 and LAT59 anther specific gene promoters from tomato, etc. Vascular tissue specific promoter. Tissue specific expression in conducting tissues such as xylem and phloem at the site of infection provides resistance against aphids, wounding, etc. Xylem specific promoter PAL2, phloem specific promoter ROLC COYMV have been identified. In addition to above promoters, there is a need of promoters which can precisely regulate transgene expression. With the help of synthetic promoters, multiple transgenes can be successfully incorporated into plant system. Synthetic promoters consist of core promoter or minimal promoter often derived from CAME35S promoter sequence. It consists of Tata box 50 base pair away from transcription start site and additional sequence such as CAAT box. Along with core promoter, one or more synthetic motifs are present in synthetic promoter. These synthetic motifs can be selected from database like Transfact or can be generated de novo using bioinformatics. Number, type and spacing between synthetic motifs determines the regulated expression of target genes. Some of the synthetic promoters are listed in this table. Now, we will summarize. Promoters can be broadly categorized into three types: constitutive promoters, which are active in all plant parts and developmental stages; inducible promoters, which are expressed in response to certain stimulus; cell or tissue specific promoter, whose expression is spatio-temporal in specific cell or tissue type. Based on experimental requirement, we need to select appropriate promoter to drive the expression of transgene in specific cell, tissue, organ and developmental stages. Thank you for patient listening.